Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am your designing developer. Today I will show you how to build one Google extensions in Java, and I hope you will be also enjoying this video also like you enjoyed my all the previous video which I have just uploaded yet, and I hope you enjoyed my previous video in which we have just made Google images. So I hope you enjoy that. So today I hope you will be enjoying this video also. So today we will be just building a Google Chrome extensions, you can say that, because in this we will be covering up many of the extensions here. Okay, so extensions means like what the things you are downloading in Chrome, so you can just use that by their extensions here, and you can just use many other things which are in Chrome extensions you can use, so that things are really helpful for you in your professional life if you are working with Google Chrome. So just video will be also really helpful for you, and if it is helpful for you, so please hit a like to this video, and if you are learning more than enough things, so please also hit the subscribe to my channel and also hit notification bell after that, so you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. After that, also share the video with your friends so they can also learn this programming tips and tricks and become full stack developer of that and land for a good job. So it will be really good motivation to me, so I can make cool videos coming up again and again for you, and I'll be uploading videos daily like I've told you in previous video also. So it will be really helpful for you to learn Java, because Java is really big series will be covering up in future. So because of that I will be uploading videos daily now onwards. So just now we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we will be just building our Chrome extensions here in Java. So before starting the project, I want to show you, like when I'm just starting the project, I show you the demo. So today I'll be also showing the demo how we'll be just building Google Chrome extension, or you can say Chrome extensions. So you can also see, and you can just, if you don't like that, you can just skip the video, or if you like that, so you can watch the full video. So just I'll be opening my Google Chrome here. You can see there it is, our Chrome extension. You can see that we are just getting extension tab here, then we are after it getting the navbar thing with the blue color. Here we are getting the search extensions here, like if you have installed or if you want to install many of the extensions, you can do that. You can see there are many of the extensions here, these are just coming. So I'll be removing some of the extensions, you can see. So you can remove that also here. So you can see how cool looking is that. So here if I remove this, so you can see it is gone. You can also do that in developer mode. If I show you, you can see how cool looking is that. We'll be just building this Chrome extensions which will be really helpful for you. We are getting many of the extensions here. You can remove or add any of the extensions you want to, or you can install that by searching here. So these are the things which I want to show you, and these are the important things in your professional life. So just we'll be starting with our project. So for starting the project, just you have to open your VS Code here. Just open that by writing VS Code, or you can write Visual Studio Code, which is short form of that here. Simply I'll be opening that file from which I have just make my Google images here. I was just saving that file in local disk E. So simply I'll be opening that file here. So where is that file? Here it is. You can see import.js. Here I'll be just dragging that to my VS Code, and I'll be opening here. Here I'll be doing one thing. I have just already opened one tab, so here I'll be closing, and here close. You can see we have just done that all things till here. I'll be zoom in so you can just see my code. So you can see till here we have just done that. Now we'll be moving forward and coming up next, and here I will be writing some of the other tags here, like active object sound closed, and then you have to write active again by opening this curly bracket. After it, write here object dot sound. Then simply I'll be closing this tag here, and here I'll be moving down. Then write a tag which will be just like here object. And when you've done that all things, here I will be writing svg equals to. Then when you've done with that all things, here I will be writing a tag which will be like go. Close here, then write here svg again dot object, and I will be writing a tag which will be like active. Just you have to close this tag from here, then move down again and write a tag which will be like sound. Then write here abort equals to. Then I'll be writing svg here. Then when you're done with that, here I will be just making curly bracket now. Then I'll be writing a tag which will be like sound dot, and then I will be making a tag which will be like abort dot range. Just I'll be closing this, then I'll be just saving this file from here by pressing save, and you can see we have just done with that. Now just I'll be moving down here, and I'll be just making a tag which will be like animation animate equals to. Then I'll be writing here a tag which will be like file. Close this, and here you have to write a tag which will be like edit dot animation dot animate. Close this now from here. You can see we have done till here. I'll be moving down again here and writing a tag which will be like controller, and here I will be just writing that to like v equals to, then here you have to just change that to a tag which should be like here view. Okay, so write view. Then just I'll be making this tag here. I'll be writing controller dot. Then I will be just writing a tag which will be like if dot v. Here when you've done that, just close this tag from here now. Then I will be just moving down and writing a tag which will be just like here event. So here I'll be writing event escape. Here I'll be just writing equals to, then I'll be writing the tag which will be like object. Then here I'll be closing that and writing a tag which will be like event dot escape dot object. Close this now. Here I will be writing a tag which will be just like here escape. Then I will be writing event here again. Then I'll be changing that to escape again. Here when you're done with that, just I'll be making a tag which will be like escape. Here I will be writing dot, and then I will be writing object. Here I will be writing event. So you can see we have done with that. Now just I'll be closing this tag here. You can see that. When you've done with that all thing, just you have to do one thing here, like just write here terminal and then write here touch equals to. Here you have to write a tag which will be right here select. Then you have to close this tag now again, then make this curly bracket in which I will be writing a tag like file, and then you can just write here dot select, then write here dot terminal and close this. When you're done with that, just move down again and here write a tag which will be just like here playback. Here I'll be writing, then I'll be writing navbar here again equals to, then I will be writing a tag which will be like nav. Here you have to do one thing like right here playback. Here I will be writing, then I will be writing dot, then I will be writing navbar again. Here I will be writing dot nav. I will be just closing this tag now from here. Here I will be moving now. Then I will be writing a tag which will be like here mode media equals to, then I will be changing that to a tag which will be just like here video. And here I will be closing and then writing a tag which will be right here mode dot media dot video. Close this now here. Here I will be moving down and writing a tag which will be right here object, and then I will be writing here mode equals to media again. Close this, and then I will be writing a tag which will be just like import dot internal, and here I will be writing dot create. Close this. So till here when you've done with that all things, here I will be just saving this file from here. Okay, I'm pressing Ctrl S. So when you save that, just make another tag like here. When you have just make that thing, so here I will be writing a tag which will be just like timeline. Here if I write here, you can say data equals to use dispatch. Here I will be writing, and when you've done that, just I'll be closing this tag here and making this curly bracket and closing also, so it will be not really difficulty for us. Then I'll be writing use dispatch. Okay, so spelling is incorrect. Here I'll be also just erasing this and make it good now. You can see we have done that all. Now move down again and write here a tag which will be like mode, and here I'll be writing analyze this equals to, then write here a tag which will be like mode. Close this, write here mode dot analysis dot mode. Close it. Now when you've done with that all things, here I will be now moving down, then I'll be writing a tag which will be like import script equals to, then write here JavaScript, and now here I'll be completing with Java dot JavaScript. Okay, and then you have to just import dot script. Just close this now. When you've done that, here write here external, or you can say export, not external. Then I'll be writing a tag which will be like error equals to a tag which will be like here audio. Close here and make this tag, and now when you're done with that, here I'll be writing export dot error dot audio. Close now. Here you can see we have done with that all things. Now just I'll be saving this file simply from here, and when you're done with that, here just I'll be moving to my Google Chrome. If I just open my Google Chrome, so our project should be just ready if I just show you. But before that, we have to just see all the codes are perfect now. You can see navbar, app, array, record, signal, abstract, range, navigation, hooker, VS Code, active, object, sound, animation, controller, event, escape, terminal, and and we are getting playback mode, object, timeline. Okay, so you can see we are getting mistake here. Notice timeline, node, import, export, and in the end we are getting big flow stack. So all the things are perfect here. You can see, and our project is just looking good. So if I just show you Google from our project of Chrome extensions will be just ready here. If I open, you can see here we are just getting our Google extensions here, or you can say Chrome extensions. We are getting. We are just first of all getting our main menu of that. Then we are getting the back and you can say blue color with the navbar thing. Then we are getting the search box of that and developer mode we are getting. Then we are also getting our extensions which we have just used in our Chrome and our Chrome apps also which we have just moved. If you want to remove anything you can do by pressing remove button, or if you want to install some of the extensions you can search from here and install here, and you can also add here. Okay, you can see these are the things which we have to just do, and these are the important things in your professional life. So I hope you understand how to just build a Chrome extensions tab in Java, and I hope you enjoyed this video also. So if you have enjoyed, so please like this video, and also if you are just new here watching the first video on my channel and if it is helpful for you, so please subscribe on my channel. Also hit the notification bell from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. And just also do one thing like share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn these programming tips and tricks, and they can also become full stack developer and land a job in future. So these were the important things which we have to cover, and we have to do that. And I'll be uploading videos daily onwards so you can learn Java more than enough for beginner, intermediate to advanced project. So I have also uploaded Java tutorial in the future. I'll be uploading that will be also really helpful for you. So just I'll be meeting you in next project. So for today, goodbye.